please click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload. Today we're going to be doing a custom Master Sword shifter. I have not found one done on the internet yet, so this should be the first one. It's going to be really cool. We're actually going to be using real metal Master Sword daggers to do this. But before we do that, I wanted to show you this funny video clip from my garage security cameras today. Oh, big one. I was on the phone with my mom, just talking and stuff, and a huge murder hornet looking thing came in here, and I ran. I said nope and got out of the garage real quick. Just wanted to show you we caught that on 4K with our ONWOTE cameras. If you guys want to get some of these cameras, definitely check the link in the description. They're really nice quality. But I slowed it down so you guys could see. It's not like a hummingbird, or it's not like a big bird or anything. It's so big. We did look it up, and it looks more like a cicada killer, but the murder hornets and the cicada killers get kind of confused here in Texas for each other, but they have seen actual murder hornets in Texas, so I don't know exactly which one it was. I didn't get stung, thank God, but it was just kind of one of those whoa moments because I was not expecting it. I heard it before I seen it, so just wanted to show you that little funny clip right there. So moving on over here, we have the little dagger master swords. I will leave a link in the description. It came with 2 of them for like $30. It's a pretty good price, and they're not cheaply made. These actually have a pretty nice feel for them. Even the blade is metal, or at least it feels like it. I haven't verified that, but it doesn't feel like plastic, but it feels pretty solid, and they're not sharpened, so you don't have to worry about cutting yourself pretty bad or anything like that. You can sharpen these, but they come not sharp. So I'm not going to use the red one. I feel like using the blue one would be more accurate to the game. So we're going to actually have to figure out how to do this, but I think I have a pretty good idea on how to do it. So we're going to move over to the inside of the car. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, moving inside the car, we have the shifter here. Now this is the shifter assembly from Jackspania Racing. So I have a video of installing this. If you haven't checked it out, I'll try to link it in the description below. But basically, we're going to go ahead and take the shift knob off right here, pop this up, remove that out of the way. Well, as you can see, the shifter assembly is exposed. So what I'm going to do next is take this and see about where I would like it height-wise. Right there's probably pretty good. So we're going to go ahead on the back side, mark it. So on the back side, it is marked where I want to chop it. So I'm actually going to cut this much off. And on this, we're also going to, so you guys can see it, chop it right here. So right at this spot, we're going to chop it, which will leave me some of this exposed. So I'll still be able to use this piece with a separate shifter. So I'll be able to have this knob on the top still, and I can swap between the Master Sword shifter and the Jackspania shifter. So next thing to do is to go ahead and remove this rod out of here. It's just held in with 3 Allen screws. Go ahead and remove that. And as you can see, it's adjustable height. So as you can see right here, it has dimples. So we can actually use this to adjust the height up and down with the Master Sword welded in this. So now we're going to go ahead and cut this and get it notched, so that way we can cut the Master Sword and get it all welded up. All right, now that they're both cut, we're gonna go ahead and clean these up with a grinder wheel and just basically make it a little bit cleaner. and then one will be used for just a normal shifter, and then the other will be the Master Sword one. And we're going to go ahead after that and put a little slit in it, and then we'll cut the actual Master Sword dagger. Alright, so on this one here, we're going to go ahead to the second dimple right here. We're going to make a slit as straight as we can, straight down, and just stop right about here. And then we will cut this where it's marked. Alright, we got a pretty decent slit right down the middle. So now we're going to go ahead and cut the dagger. Alright, here it is. You can see it's pushed in there as good as it can get. So now we just got to get this stainless welded up, and both of these are stainless, so I'm just going to have someone weld it up. I don't know how to weld stainless. I'm not very good at welding anyways, and I want this to be strong. So I'm going to go ahead and get this welded up, and then we will go from there. So hope you guys are enjoying this video. kind of can't go in there for insurance reasons, but he's welding it up now, and after he's done, we'll take it back, put it on the car, and see exactly how good it is. Okay, here it is. Got it welded up and grinded down a little bit. It looks pretty good. So before I install this, I did want to show you we have two shifters, the one that we can revert back to if we ever need to. And I'll show you that it works. That's just one of the Allen screws holding it in, but we can revert back to this if need be. And huge shout out to Jackspania because he sent me another one of these rods that's uncut just in case I wanted it to be taller. So huge shout out to him. There is a discount code in the description if you want to get some stuff from Jackspania Racing, like this shifter setup. They have a ton of stuff for all kinds of vehicles, so definitely check them out. Link is in the description. But now I'm going to go ahead and put this one in. So we're going to shove it through the shift boot, get it to the height I want it at. This will work. And there it is. We officially have the Master Sword shifter installed. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out for a drive, see how it feels. I don't know if I will be daily driving it with this on there, but if I like how it feels, I probably will. But if not, we'll go back to the Jackspania Racing shift knob and shifter rod. So we're gonna go ahead and take it for a drive. Hope you guys are enjoying. All right, I have no idea if the audio is gonna sound any good because the GoPro mount is on the window, but we're gonna go ahead and take it for a drive anyways. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. So far, I absolutely love how this thing shifts. It doesn't feel weak, flimsy, or wobbling. So I am really happy with this. I'm gonna stop here real quick and we'll head back to my house and we'll go over more when we get back. I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right. right, well, that basically wraps it up for the Master Sword shifter. I really like how it is. It's definitely a very unique piece. Now I do have door projector lights I will be installing in the future if God is willing. I've got them over there. I just haven't put them on yet, but I'll do a video on that. And we still have quite a bit of things left before we can get this down the drag strip, but thank you guys for your patience. I know you just want to see this thing in action, and so do I. So we're working towards that, working on the funds and all that good stuff. So I greatly appreciate you guys coming by, checking the video out, and sticking around to the end without skipping. It is greatly appreciated. And yeah, there'll definitely be more. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.